Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure sales with HubSpot detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales dashboard to get an overview of your sales performance. Familiarize yourself with the primary tools available, such as deals, contacts. Start by adding your contacts if you haven't done so already. Use the Contacts tab to import or manually enter your leads. Once your contacts are in place, categorize them based on their stage in the sales funnel. Create a personalized approach for each category to enhance engagement. Next, head to the Deals section to set up your sales pipeline. Define the different stages of your sales process, such as prospecting. Customize properties within your deals to align with your business's specific needs. For each deal, assign team members who will manage the sales efforts. Initiate outreach by using HubSpot's email templates or sequences to simplify communication. Utilize the tracking feature to monitor opens and responses for your email outreach. Schedule follow-ups within HubSpot to ensure consistent communication with your leads. Leverage the reporting tools to assess which strategies are yielding the best results. Regularly review your pipeline to identify stalled deals and prioritize follow-up actions. Make use of HubSpot's automation features to streamline repetitive tasks. Set up workflows to automate email follow-ups or task assignments based on engagement levels. Continuously analyze your sales data to uncover trends and areas for improvement. Encourage team collaboration through shared notes and comments on contacts and deals. Keep your CRM organized by regularly updating contact information and deal stages. Utilize HubSpot's integrations with other tools for enhanced functionality and productivity. Educate your team on how to effectively utilize HubSpot's features to maximize sales. Consider utilizing HubSpot Academy for additional resources and training. Stay consistent and patient, as securing sales is often a process that requires time and effort. Continue refining your strategies based on data and feedback collected through HubSpot. Maintaining a clear focus on your goals will help in effectively securing sales through HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.